Kyptronix LLP once again visited Sister Nivedita University for recruitment with a new opportunity and different kind of vacancy. Let's hear from the recruiters as well as the students what they have to say.
From the beginning of the first year, I've developed many skills like communication. The teachers, the faculty has helped me a lot in my communication skills, my soft skills. We have gained hands-on exposure on internships, as the college itself has provided us internships in various companies.
SNU provides a lot of placement opportunities, good placement opportunities I would say. They provide good companies for us, and they also help with the interviews. They prepare us for the interviews. The teachers, faculties here are very good. The professors are very professional as well as very helpful and supportive. They help us with everything, like everything academically.
The best part about Sister Nivedita University is that it's one of the renowned college in entire West Bengal. And second of all, what I learned from the Sister Nivedita is the soft skill ability. The Sister Nivedita University, the best thing is that they're always action oriented, goal driven, and the visionary. So in order to pursue the more and more to reach to the higher level, Sister Nivedita University gives us each and every platform which our student require.
SNU is pretty fine place to hire candidates, because their candidates are well behaved, well maintained, and they are pretty knowledgeable onto it. So we love to hire candidates from SNU. Eventually we have been doing this, and will in future we will also try to get those.